So on the formula we can find two examples. First example will be y is equal to under root x to the power 2 plus 5 find dy by dx, and again second example will be under root x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15. On the two examples we can find by derivatives. For the derivatives we can find two formula based problem. First formula will be as like this, and second formula will be we can see in the part 1 x to the power n is equal to n into the x to the power n minus 1 on the basis the root f of x is equal to 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x, and x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. By two formulas we can see to solve the two problems, and we can find dy by dx to solve the solutions. So first we can solve it, and then second will be solved, and we can do consider as like the calculations. And first example, on the first example we can given data will be as written in the form x to 5. Okay, so differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the function x to the power 2 plus 5. Okay, so solve the example. On the first formula based problem of root function will be the answer 1 by 2 x to the power 2 plus 5, again derivative of x square plus 5 will be the answer. D by dx of the answer will be x to the power 2 will be answer d of the derivative 2x, and plus f will be the constant, so answer will be 0 upon 2 under root x to the power 2 plus 1 5. So answer will be x by अंडर रूट एक्स टू द पावर 2 plus 5, जो कि फाइंड करना था y is equal to differentiate with respect to x. We can find it. So the another type of example we can solve y is equal to under root x square x raised to 4 plus 3x plus 15 find dy by dx. So step by step follow the rule. Y is equal to be consider x under root x to the 4 3x plus 15. Okay, so differentiate y with respect to x. We can find, so dy by dx of the differentiate dy by dx under root x raised to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15 as like this, the example in which we can find by under root x raised to the power 2 plus 15 5. As that like we can solve the example under root x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15 will be that 2 under root x square plus x raised to 4 plus 3x plus 15, and then again derivative of the function be the in the under root d by dx of x raised to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15. So is equal to, in the bracket we can sign as in the plus sign, so differentiate each function by separated by parts. First, x raised to the power 4 will be the derivative of 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1, and second derivative will be 3x. X raised to the derivative of x will be always 1. D by dx will be the derivative always 1, so 3, and putting on the divided to under root x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15. So we can find dy by dx is equal to 4x to the power 3 plus 3 under root x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 15 be the answer. ओके, जो कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते वक्त कई स्टूडेंट्स जो मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, जो कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉलो द रूल नहीं यूज़ करने की वजह से उनके मार्क जाते हैं. सो वी कैन फाइंड बाय सच अ टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल एंड वी कैन डू आंसर इट.